Do you think I'll get sick if I eat them all?
These are absolutely the best chocolate cookies you'll ever try. You'll just love them because they're really tasty and super healthy as well. You only need 6 ingredients: 150 grams of ground almonds, 50 grams of shredded coconut, 25 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 50 grams of sugar. I picked cane sugar, but you can use the one you have in your cupboard. 1 teaspoon of raising agent of your choice. And now we create our flaxseed egg. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's super easy. You only need 6 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed meal. Mix them well and let it in your fridge for 15 minutes. Once that is done, you'll get a gloopy consistency just like this. Now pour all dry ingredients in a bowl. And now mix them well. Finally add the flaxseed egg and mix it all up. Depending on the ground almonds you're using, you may need to add some extra water to your mixture to get the perfect moisty consistency. It should look just like this. Now divide your dough into smaller bits and shape them up like little truffles. This will give you 20 biscuits approximately. Now this step is totally optional. I like to cover my biscuits in powdered sugar. All you need to do is to take a jar, put some tablespoons of powdered sugar in, put the biscuit in, put the lid, and then shake it up. Now press gently over your dough. Finally, bake your chocolate cookies at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Depending on how much extra water you added to the mixture, you may need to leave them in for an extra 10 minutes. Keep in mind that once you take them out, they should still have quite a soft consistency. Don't worry, they will harden up once they cool down. And now it's time to taste.
So good!